Okay, good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for joining me. All right, today is 10th of February 2025. It is around 9:07 p.m. here in Singapore time. All right, so okay, this week, as you can see from the screen on the left side, okay, see it on the left side, we do not have so much data releases this week. Okay, you remember last week we have an NFP, right? This week we do not have so much news releases, but okay, there's a two time the poll will be speaking. All right, one will be tomorrow night, and another one will be on the Wednesday night. So I think these are going to be quite important one in my opinion. Okay, just to keep in mind, okay, last time when Powell was asked whether he will step down or not, this Powell said that he will not be stepping down, right? And as you can see now, the president is Trump now, so I guess Trump is quite busy handling other things. Okay, so he haven't got time to get his focus on this Fed chairman side yet. So we need to see, depend on what Powell speech this week. If he speaks something that pick Trump attention, then that will be in the trouble because these two, if these two going to fight, yeah, it's gonna be a very big issue. All right, so I would like you to be careful. All right, so far, okay, so far Trump has not focused anything on Federal Reserve yet. Okay, so things can turn ugly pretty much soon. All right. So this is something that I want you to be careful of. This week we don't have much of the news, right? But we have this Powell speeches. All right. So now let's go straight to the trading analysis. Right. Let's go straight to the items. All right. Let's go through British pound. All right. So the left side is the British pound, is in the future market. The right side is the CFD. Like normally we trade on those CFD brokers, right? So okay, basically what is happening right now is that they are trying hard to pull it back, but I am quite skeptical that they will go up immediately. So you can see my projection, they were likely to go potentially a little bit lower first and before they turn back up. So I am not immediately bullish. I'm waiting for some sort of support coming in somewhere around here, which is around more or less around 1.32 region. So I'm not really in the immediate attention to buy in immediately. Okay, so British pound, I'm not really immediately bullish. I'm just waiting for another chance for it, right? And euro, okay, let me show euro. Euro is roughly the same as well. All right. Actually, market indeed gap down today, and they what they did was that they just moved back up only. All right, so they just closed the gap only. So we need to see euro. Also, I'm not super bullish at all. I think market will a little bit try to go sideways in my opinion. So I will not be suggesting to buy or sell on this euro right now. And if you look at it on the so-called like volume profile, all right, you see euro is exactly in the middle of the control area. So what's the control mean? Control mean this is where a lot of buying and selling are taking place. So you don't want to be at the place where a lot of buyer and sellers are swapping their position, because this is where the market likely to range, right? Because when the market range, if you buy also doesn't make sense for you, if you sell also doesn't make sense for you. So this is a kind of level that I would say is try to avoid in my opinion. All right, so British pound and euro kind of like a neutral and not really bullish in my opinion. Okay, of course, especially euro. Okay, all right, let's talk about Aussie. All right. Okay, Aussie also have a gap down. All right, Aussie also have a gap down. I personally have a Aussie long position. All right, but I'm not really willing to add a lot of position at this moment. So if the position want to survive, I just leave it as it is because I don't really see so much bullishness of it yet. All right, so let's see. I want to see at least market go back above this kind of level. Let the market strongly break this level, then we will talk about bullishness. So put it this way, I want to see more signs of bullishness first. So to namely, 0.63 will be a good resistance level that I'm be watching on. If they break the level, right? Let's say they break the level up, I will need it to break it with a strong volume. If not, don't bother. All right. So Aussie also a bit neutral. All right. So another one is New Zealand. Another one is New Zealand. All right. Sorry, this side. Okay, New Zealand also very similar. You can see they are in a control region, which is, they are being controlled by here, they are being controlled by here. So what the market is doing is that you can see here, they are acting like a both range that, they are trying to control. You see the market go down, they immediately go back up, go up a bit, they immediately go back down, and go down, so they immediately go back up. So the market could not really break away from this box area. So what I want to see is that I want to see the future strong indication first. So at least same thing similar to Aussie, all right? At least let the market break this level first. I think the namely 0.57 region, they better be breaking up first. Okay, so if they break up, then okay, fine. We will be start to be bullish, and hopefully market will like go further from there. Unless so, I'm not so bullish. Okay, so I just cover a lot of pairs against 4 pairs against US dollars, right? British pound, Euro, Aussie, and New Zealand, right? So all of them, I would say is either neutral or quite weak in my opinion. All right. So not really so eager to buy them in. All right. Okay. Another one is gold. All right. Gold is slightly different. The reason being because gold can be viewed as a kind of like a safe haven um, products, right? So when the market have a lot of when the market have a lot of this uncertainty in the market, gold tend to perform better. So in the longer run, okay, if you ask me what should I do on gold, I say either you buy or you wait and buy only. All right, gold don't sell. All right, gold don't sell at all. It's just that where you want to buy back from only. All right, so being what I'm trying to say here is that you can see we are on Monday, right? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Let me show a little bit in the closer range. Today is Monday. You see the gold have already the gold have already risen, you know, quite high already. Can you see that? All right. It's on Monday only, right? So I am a little bit skeptical in a way. All right. So, and moreover, you can see the volume of the today gold movement. You see, last Friday, okay, I just show you one by one. Last Friday, the gold movement is this, right? And look at the volume, right? And you see today, the gold have so rise quite a lot already. Gold have risen quite a lot already. And you can see the volume. Volume is like this only. It's less than a half here. So what it means is that they are buying, they are beating the price without much of the opposing factors. There can be, of course, a few things. One possibility mean nobody is willing to sell yet because because of the maybe because of the not in the US session yet or something like that. All right. So I am a little bit careful when I see very low volume and the price move a lot. Okay. So I'm not suggesting you to sell at all. Okay, don't get me wrong. I'm not suggesting you to sell. Just that I want you to be a bit careful because this kind of move mean they are trapping all those price action trader. So because price action trader, they don't really care about the volume, right? They just say, oh, it's go up already, then they just keep on buying. Then what happened? Later market make a pullback. This is the kind of thing that they can trap the people. So my thinking is that go instead of you chase a lot, I think you better wait for some pullback and buy will be the even better in my opinion. All right. The first level being uh, 2800 region. All right. So which is around here. Let me give you in the let me give the number in the CFD. So which is somewhere around here, 2834 region. All right. Okay. 2834 region. Another one is somewhere around here, is around 2780 region. That will be the ultimate buying level. Okay, so if ever gold come back, try not to short it down a lot at least. Okay, it is not really I don't think it will last long. The gold come down, they only just stay for a while, then they think they're gonna go back up. So whenever the gold pull back, take as an opportunity for you to buy at the lower price. Okay, I am bullish on gold. To repeat, I'm bullish on gold. It's just that I'm a little bit careful that Monday they move a lot while the volume is quite small. You got my point or not, guys? Okay, so just be careful with gold a little bit. Okay, overall it's bullish. I wish I have a more chance for me to buy in again later. Okay, so this is on gold. Gold is, I think in 2025, I think going to go a lot higher. Okay, in overall as a yearly kind of like analysis. Okay, so gold, I think sooner or later we're going to see 3,000. Okay, all right. Silver, of course, silver and gold, they go hands in hand. All right. You see, they silver is a little bit like they're quite sensitive. Last Friday they moved down a lot, and you see they are now moving back up really. I personally have a silver long position. All right, and I'm moving my stop loss up to protect my profit already. So I'm watching it closely as well. All right. So if the silver ever pull back, I will close with the better profit. Okay. So silver also overall stay bullish. Okay. Let's see. Of course, I would prefer if instead of pulling back, I would prefer go up higher and higher. Of course, as the market go up higher, I will make more money from this as well. Okay, so silver also same thing. Protect your profit, but don't sell. Okay, so this on gold and silver. Okay, let's talk about U.S. market. All right, U.S. stock market in general. Okay, U.S. stock market, what they were trying to do was I'm seeing something quite similar to the, if you talk about some like a pattern trading or stuff like that, right? If you see something like that, I'm seeing something like a M pattern going on right now. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, M pattern going on right now. Let me show you. Okay, you can see something like here. If you talk about the pattern, right? So basically, this is a double top, right? Double top, and of course they could not break further. So now they try to come back down and kind of like taking another shot, in my opinion. So this have become a very strong neckline, okay, namely between 44,000 and 44.1 level. So this is going to be a very important support region. Okay, so let's see where the market is breaking out to, whether they will break out higher or they will break down lower. Okay, but my thinking is that I think they were likely to retest this 44,000 level again. All right. I would say it might be something to do with the power speeches later this week. Yeah, we have two power speeches, right? So I think these power speeches will carry some weight, in my opinion. Is if you know what I mean now, the market is basically just waiting for power speeches to come in to start from tomorrow. So, today bullish candle, so what, right? Tomorrow something else coming in, the market can go back down. Okay. So I will want you to watch this 41,000 and 44.1 thousand level very closely. Once they break it down, if they break it down, this M level, this neckline, all right, is around 44 to 44.9. So it's around like a 1,000 point, okay? 1,000 point. So if they ever break this level, they can go down 1,000 point there as well. You got what I mean? So it is this is a neckline kind of like a measurement. Okay, so please be careful. I repeat again, 44.1 to 44K level is an important neckline. Okay, I I personally think they are going to retest one more time again, in my opinion. All right, so we have to see what Powell will be speaking this week. Okay, so this on the US market. All right, another one I want to talk about a little bit on the crude oil. All right, crude oil have came down quite nicely in the recent days, all right? And apparently crude oil is a bit weak, in my opinion. One of the reasons, because US is going to drill a lot as well. So I think that is a reason being crude oil is a little bit getting weak, in my opinion. So basically what they have done is that they just come back to this range region, all right? So this pull up, now they come down and back to range, and I think the market is trying to go side like this, in my opinion. So not really advisable to have a very big long, in my opinion. All right, so market is getting like a negative, in my opinion. So it's not really advisable to long at all. Okay, so let's see how it's go. I already projected this weekend. I already projected it will go here. You see, Monday only it's already go there already. So I think sooner or later they're gonna find resistance. Okay, you can see here, this is a good control region, so which is around here, 73.9. This level will be a very good resistance. So if the market ever go there, I think it's touch a resistance and wait for this kind of red color candle. From there, you can look for a short entry if you want. So, but you need to wait first. Okay. Okay, so last but not least, I just want to mention about Bitcoin. All right. Okay, Bitcoin, of course, fortunately, we have other data available. So let me show you with other analysis together. So MicroStrategies just bought some Bitcoin as well. So, okay, what is happening to Bitcoin is that Bitcoin, we have a very big sell down 2 weeks ago, right? You see, because of the Trump, the tariff, all those stuff, right? And what happened was that during that time, they broke out this OI channel strongly. All right, since then, they broke out here. All right. Since then, the market could not go back to this or could not swing back to this level. So what is happening right now is that since the breakout was done now, there wasn't any strong buying coming in to push the price higher. Let me repeat. OI is something like OI is a measurement of participant in the market. Okay. The more OI it is, the stronger the prevailing trend is going to be. All right. So you see, it was pretty nice previously. All right. And you see, since around here, all right, you see, the OI failed to go a lot higher. What they did was nothing but the swing internally. Can you see that? All right. So I think it's turned out to be true as well. Market never able to break out so high really since then. All right. So what is happening right now is the market is really ranging left and right, and they have failed to do a lot of so-called new high because you see they couldn't make a new high here because you can see here the OI failed to break up higher as well. Right. So that's the reason why they could not break a new high. So now same thing as well since the moment OI dropped down really, even though they are sort of recovering a little bit, they are not really strongly broke inside this range again. So, okay, so I'm waiting for this level to be broken actually. Okay, only if this level is broken again and we are back to something like this, all right, and then I will say okay, we are back in the bullish trend. If not, please be very careful. All right, every swing up can be met with another swing down. Why? Because low OI mean low strength, as simple as that. No strength to push the market. You got what I mean now. So please be careful. Okay, hang on. You guys can see and can hear, right? Should be okay, yeah? Just give me a minute. Just have a quick double check. I hope okay. Things are well. Yeah. All right. Can. All right. Okay. Give me a shock because my another computer is the screen kind of freeze. Okay. So just to conclude, Bitcoin, please be careful. All right. Please be careful. I'm waiting for this guy to really pick up. If doesn't pick up, Bitcoin is about to go lower and lower. All right. If it's pick up, yes, we are back into the trend. Okay, then the good days are here again. All right. So guys, okay, so far this week, all right, just to summarize a bit, I have talked quite a bit already. Just to summarize a bit, okay, all the pair against US dollars, please be a little bit careful. All right, gold and silver, I'm stay bullish. All right, it's just that I have already mentioned to you, the market moved too much on Monday. I am a little bit skeptical. Okay, because I have seen so many move like this before. All right, Monday move a lot, and turn out that was a high of this week. Like just give me let me give you the one fine example. All right, let's say like Monday the market really moved a lot high. Then everybody think that wow, market is going to go up higher. After a while, what happened? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then the end of the week, market is even lower than the Monday itself. You got my point, huh? I cannot stress enough. When the market move too much on Monday, please be very careful. Okay. Same thing on crypto as well. You see, remember last a few weeks ago, Monday they sell down a lot. What happened? Market go up. Last week also same thing. Monday they sell down a lot. What happened? After that they kind of recover a little bit. So Monday are the days that can be tricked easily. All right, guys. So, all right, that's it for this week. Thank you very much. If I see any new setups or any interesting analysis, I will share it in my Facebook and I will share it in my Telegram as well. All right, so I will see you guys again. If you have any question, you can drop a comment here. All right. And for my Burmese friend, I will be doing another round of Wednesday analysis on this Wednesday. I will see whether it's nighttime or daytime. It should be on the nighttime, yeah. If there are any changes or any update that going on, I will let you guys know as well. So guys, have a great evening and thank you very much for joining me. Okay, if you think this video is interesting and helpful, of course, please like and share this video as well. Thank you very much, and yeah, have a great evening, guys. Bye bye.